Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the DoorDash error. The promotion cannot be applied to this order. The error reads, "The promotion cannot be applied to this order. Please remove or use another promotion code." As per our research, the error comes when users try to apply a promo code during checkout. Many users shared that the promo code appears valid, but still fails when they try to use it. According to our research, this error can come if the items in your cart are not eligible or the code is account-specific or restricted to certain restaurants. First, try removing some of the items from your cart and then try applying the promotion code again. If you still have the error, then refresh the page and check for the error again. If you still get the error, then check the Offers tab in your app to see which promotions apply to which restaurants. Some restaurants may not participate in specific promotions. Also, codes can be email specific, so make sure you are applying the promo to the correct DoorDash account. If you still have the error, then try changing your payment method to another card. Then switch back to your main card and check if the code works. If the error still comes, then try changing the restaurant or vendor and check if the promotion can be applied to the new order. If the error still doesn't resolve, then uninstall and reinstall the app, then try placing the order again with the promo code. At last, if nothing helps, then contact DoorDash support. Some users shared that support applied the discount as credit for their next order. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.